Did you know that there's a whole cookbook dedicated to Filipino cooking inside an Instant Pot? And did you know that I was able to meet a couple of the authors? So the Filipino Instant Pot Cookbook was actually conceived by a team of 6 Filipino-American home cooks. And we were able to watch a live demo event with 2 of the authors, Tisha and Jarrell Domingo. Flipp Family actually produced this event along with collaboration with Romeo Chocolates, who hosted the location. And you guys, we have a fancy chocolate shop, actually a chocolate lounge right here in Long Beach, California. Romeo himself also had a few tricks up his sleeve with the Instant Pot, so watch this whole video through so that you can see what this magical, delicious dessert is. We learned how to make Ginataang Bilo Bilo, which is sticky rice balls, kind of like mochi, in coconut milk. In addition to the rice balls, this recipe had jackfruit, saba banana, ube, and more. Tisha showed us how to make and roll the bilo bilo and infused it with pandan extract, which gave it the green color. Hey, by the way, this recipe is in the Instant Pot Cookbook. Hint, hint. After the bilo bilo cooked, they dished it out for everyone to try. Have you ever eaten Ginataang Bilo Bilo? If you have that one favorite ingredient to pick out. What is it? Tell me in the comments. For me, it's the bilo bilo because I love sticky rice. But wait, there's more. Master chocolatier Romeo kept the dessert train going.
This is our heirloom recipe of Champorado from my grandmother. Now, Champorado comes from Latin America too. Normally they use masa. We use really delicious glutinous sticky rice. And then in this sticky rice, the recipe that I pulled from Instapot's book, I modified it a little bit. What I use today for you is Belgian dark chocolate. So you can have Belgian dark chocolate. I drizzled it with condensed milk, which is traditional in Filipino Champorado preparation. I went to the farmer's market. I picked up some strawberries for you guys this morning. So there's farmer's fresh strawberries there as well too. And then I made some creme chantilly. So there's a little bit of whipped cream in there as well too. And then I couldn't finish, so I wanted to put more. So I put a drizzle of Belgian dark chocolate sauce on there as well too. And then there's a Belgian dark chocolate candy on there for you as well too. So with that said, Jorge and I will be passing this around. Please enjoy your treats.
Thank you.
I was in chocolate heaven. This champorado was not too sweet, which is extremely dangerous for me. I heard a rumor that somebody ate 3 of these champorado. Not gonna say who. So I just love seeing our Filipino community getting together and supporting each other's projects and businesses. And you guys, if you want to support, go ahead and follow our social handles, which are going to be listed below. But there's so many local and online events that are popping up. So please continue to go ahead and support in any way that you can. And again, like you guys are watching now, thank you so much for supporting this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in next week's videos. Bye!